I want to try it. Stay tuned. You'll see how I achieved it. I think this looks okay. It went straight on the floor. I look good. Okay, so I'm getting ready for an event, and I saw this picture of how this girl did her hair, so I want to try it. And hopefully it comes out the way that I want it to. So I'm gonna section off like a portion of the front of my head, and then we'll start from there. So that's it. We're gonna be working with this front section. This might be too much, but okay, so I don't want it to be like too many. How am I gonna do this? I need one more ponytail holder. Okay, so I don't know how to barrel roll. I don't know how to do none of that stuff. The only thing I know how to do is kind of flat twist. So I guess that's what I'm gonna do. Just like kind of flat twist it down. Like that. And then I know I shouldn't be using these little rubber bands, but I'll just have to be careful with taking them out. And I'm not gonna wrap it too many times because it's already gonna be hard to get it out. Okay, so I think this looks okay. I mean, I still got hours before the party, so if I decide that I don't like it, I still got time to change it. But that's pretty much what I'm gonna be doing. But I'm gonna do the rest. I keep pausing like I do. 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 Always loving my jeans. You can get up in between. You're trying to get up close to me. I can teach you how to feel. I keep pausing like I do. 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 Always loving my jeans. You can get up in between. You're trying to get up close to me. I can teach you how to feel. There we go. I just gotta slick my edges. Oh, maybe I could do so you see
This side is more sparse than this side. I never had edges on this side. But the good thing is the hair is growing, so I might be able to put a couple more locks right there. But I think I'm gonna have to wear this down, just because putting in a ponytail is already putting too much tension on these sides. So it went straight on the floor. Yep. Good. Yeah. I just gotta slick my edges. I wish I had like the little gold things to put right there. That would have been so nice. But so I'm going to, first I'm gonna get in the shower and stuff, and then I'm gonna slick my edges, but I'll show you the ending product. I'll put it like this just for now so I can get in the shower. I'm back. Okay, so I laid my edges, but like,
I look good. You hear me? I look good.
like volume back up because I had this bonnet on, but I think this came out cute. So this is it. This is the look. Are we feeling it though?
Of course we are.
Here's to being 5 months locked. I need to actually like try some of these styles because they be scaring me that my hair isn't long enough. But in actuality it is. Period. So this is a quick video, just an update also, instead of me just like turning around showing you my hair and stuff like that. But so this is 5 months locked. We went ahead, we did this style. But thank y'all, thank you for watching. Thank you for staying tuned and doing this hairstyle with me, because I never really do anything except up or down. But this is really cute.